BusConcept produces luxury, tailor-made buses worthy of its demanding customers. We have 15 years of experience in our field and are the fastest growing company of its kind in the world. Our entire team's aim is to make every detail perfect. There is no room for mistakes. It is our mission to create unique buses that will follow the latest trends and to offer additional functional extras that will satisfy the most demanding clients from all over the world. We think high-quality materials and innovation are of key importance. The safety and the comprehensive customer support, including global service as well as after-sales support, are crucial to us. Art is in the detail. That is why each of our products is made to the highest possible standard. No compromises. We cooperate with distinguished specialists and engineers, achieve our goals in keeping with our company culture, and constantly expand our network of dealers. Every element of each vehicle is made by hand and tested thoroughly by our quality control team. At BusConcept, we create luxury vehicles and commercial buses from scratch. We listen to our clients' dreams and needs. We want to be sure that traveling in our vehicles is an unforgettable experience that'll create lasting memories. BusConcept. Art is details.